Good boy. There we go. See, he's starting to unwind from that. Oh, I know. Oh, I know. Come and put your hand on him so he knows you're there. That's it. There we go. And he's almost adjusted already. This is his second adjustment. There we go. That's it. That's what I want to see him, kicking the legs out like that. And unwinding. Did you notice any difference after his adjustment the other day? Did he?
It was more fuzzy.
A little more fuzzy?
But
That's okay.
anything at this stage of life.
Anything, everything. Well, I think somebody's hungry. Good.
But he was more straight. I did notice that.
Did you notice
His
that?
posture was.
And nursing went well, everything was good. That's it. So I'm adjusting down to the sacrum right now. Good. That's it. Yeah. All good. All good, handsome. Yeah. Good. All right, that's it.